Many great ideas remain just ideas because of one big hurdle: the cost and complexity of building software. Building an app costs a lot, because you need a team of developers and you need to pay them too. This has created a world where only those with deep pockets or coding skills could build the future. But that's no longer the case. There are tools that let you create apps without writing code, and they make the process faster, easier, and more affordable. In this video, we'll go over 7 of the best no-code platforms that can help you bring your ideas to life. First up is Noloco, a powerful platform designed for teams to build custom internal tools and client portals without writing code. It solves the common struggle of using systems that are either too messy or too rigid for your team's needs. Getting started is easy with Noloco. An AI assistant guides you through a few questions to generate a functional app draft instantly. From there, you use an intuitive point-and-click builder to design your interface. You can easily add and configure components like Kanban boards, calendars, and detailed project lists. This structured approach prevents the disorganization common with free form builders. Noloco's standout feature is its data flexibility. You can use its built-in database or, more powerfully, connect directly to your existing data in Airtable, Google Sheets, or SQL databases. This means you can build an app interface without migrating your data. It excels at creating secure, collaborative environments. You can set granular user permissions for team members and clients, ensuring everyone sees only relevant information. Furthermore, its workflow engine automates repetitive tasks, like sending notifications when a task is completed, freeing up your team to focus on important work. Pre-built templates, like the Client Project Portal, offer a fantastic starting point. In summary, Noloco is ideal for teams needing a highly customizable project tool, especially for building client portals on top of existing data. Explore their free plan to see if it fits your project's needs. Now, moving from the internal workings of a business to its public face, we find Webflow. More than just a platform, it serves as a digital canvas for creatives and storytellers. Unlike tools that emphasize app functionality, Webflow prioritizes full design freedom, letting you shape every visual detail of a site. It brings professional coding concepts, like the box model, flexbox, and responsive grids, into a fully visual workspace, so you can design with the precision of a developer without touching code. Whether you're aiming to craft a sleek marketing site, an immersive blog, or a tailor-made online store, Webflow empowers you to produce work that feels original and high-end. In short, it bridges the gap between no-code convenience and the flexibility of hand coding, giving designers developer-level control. When it comes to no-code app builders, Bubble is often considered the heavyweight. What makes it stand out is the balance of flexibility and power it offers. First, it has a visual design interface that lets you build layouts and user interfaces without writing code. Then, there's its robust database, which stores and organizes your data so it's always accessible to your app. On top of that, you get a workflow system where you can set up detailed logic, allowing you to create anything from a basic booking system to a full social platform. Still, there's a trade-off. Because Bubble is packed with advanced features, the learning curve is much steeper than with simpler tools. It's not something you learn in a single afternoon, but if you invest the time, the payoff is a platform that can handle projects of almost any size. After exploring what Bubble can do on the web, let's move into mobile development with Adalo. What makes Adalo unique is that it doesn't just reformat a website for smaller screens, it builds native mobile apps from the ground up. These are actual apps you can publish in the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. The design process is straightforward, thanks to a drag-and-drop builder where you can choose from pre-built components like buttons, lists, forms, and navigation elements. Adalo also lets you set up user accounts, manage logins, and store app data securely. On top of that, It supports integrations with other services through APIs, expanding what your app can do. And since push notifications are built in, your app can stay connected with users in real time. For anyone looking to create a polished, functional mobile experience without learning code, Adalo is a practical and direct path forward. Where Bubble and Adalo often require a longer setup process, Glide is designed for speed. The platform allows you to take something as simple as a Google Sheet or an Airtable database and turn it into a working app within minutes. Glide's design philosophy emphasizes clarity, so the apps it generates are typically sleek, uncluttered, and intuitive for end users. This makes it a practical choice for building internal company tools, employee directories, inventory systems, or event-specific apps like conference guides. Beyond its visual simplicity, Glide has recently introduced AI features that significantly extend its capabilities. These include automatic text summarization, data categorization, and image recognition. Each of these functions allows apps built on Glide to not only store and display data, but also to process and understand it. That combination of simplicity, speed, and intelligence is what sets Glide apart in the no-code ecosystem. Walking alongside Glide, we find another tool that values speed and ease of use, Softr. With Softr, the approach to building apps is centered around blocks, over 100 of them. Each block is already designed to serve a purpose: client portals, partner directories, online courses, and more. You don't start from scratch. You simply choose the blocks you need and stack them together. Once the structure is in place, you can connect data directly from Airtable or Google Sheets. Softr then does the heavy lifting by syncing and displaying that data seamlessly. The real strength of this method lies in time savings. Because the blocks are both functional and responsive by default, you get an app that looks professional without needing to tweak every detail. Compared to Bubble, you might lose some advanced customization, but for most businesses, especially those that want something working quickly, it's a solution that gets you from idea to launch in hours rather than months. Our final stop on this journey is a place where the worlds of no-code and traditional coding meet. This is FlutterFlow. FlutterFlow is often described as a low-code platform, and here's why. It starts with a visual builder. You can drag and drop elements, design screens, and connect flows without writing lines of code. The apps you create aren't just prototypes. They're real, high-performance native apps that can run on both mobile devices and the web. The platform is built on Google's Flutter framework, which is widely trusted among developers. And here's the big advantage. At any point in the process, you can export the complete source code. That means you're never stuck inside the platform. A founder with no technical background can shape the entire user interface, then pass the clean, structured code to a developer who can expand on it with more advanced features. In short, FlutterFlow blends fast visual design with the security of professional-grade code. So, these are the best no-code platforms that will help you build apps without writing code and hiring a developer. Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.